Boom bam. We live, and we're alive. Alive. What are we watching for after hours into tomorrow? Mdrr for continuation, and also Kxin. I was trading that one while driving. Not recommended. Wadwa in the building. Welcome. 5 minutes for market close. Market closing in 5 minutes. 5 minutes. What's running? Lyrics me building. Market looking shaky last couple of days. All right, let me see what's going on. Anything spiking late afternoon? Kxin, is it done? It's at 196. I'm still holding a position. I'm up 50%. I tweeted this one on the first halt. Kxin. Watch out for possible continuation tomorrow. I sold some and I'm leaving the rest till tomorrow. Kxin. I'm up 50%. Please follow me on Twitter for alerts. Get rich or die trying. Exactly. You got to try. Got to try. I think I should add here. I'm going to add to Kxin's looking strong. Don't want to get too greedy now. Kxin is at 199. 199. It's going to bust over 219 in the after hours. Maybe. Be careful with this one. Not for the risk averse. Kxin. Okay, I'm filled. I'm adding more for continuation into the after hours. All right, Kxin. Please do not go heavy in this. This might be exhausted already. It's up 266%. Kxin. I tweeted this one early enough. The first halt. There's no news. Kxin. No news. I don't care about news. I care about price movement. Come on, let's get over $2. Kxin. 3 minutes to market close. 3 minutes to market close. What else we looking at? Idxg. Idxg. Also MTC. MTC moving up. Let me write that down. I want to play these to hold for tomorrow morning in the pre. MTT looking strong. I'm going to buy here. MTIC. Looking for continuation in the pre-market tomorrow. MTIC. I don't like to trade and do live. I made a big error on when was that? Tuesday. Luckily, I escaped. You gotta focus. Come on, Kxin can't get over that $2 mark. The high on the day, 219, 219. Can it go over 219 in the after hours? Kxin, the one to watch. 2 minutes to market close. Wadwa, I'm holding Kxin and MTC for tomorrow. I mean, I already sold some of Kxin, but I added back some position. This thing is looking strong. There's no news, so be careful. Not for the risk averse. You could lose all your money in this one, I'm telling you. Careful. When I saw it got suspended, I'm like, okay, I hope it's a circuit halt and not some news. Because sometimes these things, they halt and they don't come back. They halt and that's it for your money. Fraudulent news or something else. Be careful. Do not trade more than you're willing to lose. This is a risky business, but as long as you manage the risk, manage your cash, take profits, start small, add on the way up, never add on the way down, unless it's Apple. Okay, so market is closed. Let me see if anything is kicking up rumpus in the AH. All right, in the after hours, we have AMRX. Not much movements yet. They're up 2%. Oh, look at this big green candle. That's a fatty. All right. Any news? We're looking at AMRX. This probably swing right back down. I don't trust this candle here. AMRX. What else is moving after hours? Nothing going on as yet. Staf is up 5.6%. STAF. Please like the live. Please like the live so I could stay alive. So I think the overall market was down today. I wasn't doing much checking. Let me check right now. So the Dow closed down 0.58% at 28,513. The Nasdaq closed down 0.8% at 11,768. 11,768. Let me see what Apple did. Apple closed flat at 121.19. Let me check Tesla. What? Tesla is up 3.28%. Let me see any news. Well, Tesla always has news. Let me check my profits on Tesla. I picked up some Tesla in the low threes because you know the post split, everybody got knocked. So I used that opportunity to bought some in the low 30s. This is Tesla 330s. It's back over 4. Do not sleep on Elon Musk. This guy is a genius, and he's also a loose cannon. So the market closed down 2 days in a row. It's gonna be shaky action day. All right, so I'm up 8% in Tesla. I'm up 11% on Apple. This is after the split. After the split, when it was dropping 25%, I picked up some shares and also Amazon. I'm up 11% in Amazon. These are long-term plays, long-term plays. All right, let me see what Mdrr did today. Davesplay, Mdrr. If you were early, there's no excuse. I made an early video, 5 a.m. So between 9:30 and after 10. So Mdrr opened up at 202. 202. And never looked back. The high end of the day is 612. That's a 300% move. Let me see where I got in the pre-market. So they opened up at 2 and went as high as 6. And I got in the pre-market after 4 a.m. when everyone's sleeping. Let me check my trade confirmation, Mdrr. So I started a position at 239 yesterday, 239. Added in the pre this morning at 230. It started to go down. I sold some at 219. Started to go back up. I bought back in at 269. Remember I told you to watch over 234. It popped back over 234. I added at 269. This is Mdrr. I added more at 271 and also at 257. I sold 80% out at 382. It went as high as $6. Mdrr. What was the other play? Gen. Let me see what Gen did today. Excuse me, let me take this call. Hello? Okay, that's a big problem. I mean, if we could keep the keys locked. Yeah, let's give them. Because they're just gonna have to share it for now. But we're gonna get one in the front. We're gonna put a new one in the front. So GEN didn't do so good today. Was all downhill. GEN. They opened at 65 cents. The low of the day, 52 cents. The high was 65 cents. All downhill. If the trade is not working out, get out of there. Do not hold an hope. Let me check the after hours. So Staf is up 43% for continuation. STAF looking strong. No news.
All right, so YouTube should be started. All right, so here is the futures right here. Guys, you can see this has been a major, just very, very long rising wedge pattern. You can see prices right smack dab in the middle. What's up, guys? Right smack dab in the middle of this rising wedge. Bouncing right off of the 29, 9, 10, 9, 13, and the 20 EMAs all right here. So we'll have to see what happens here today. And you'll see kind of what is this, like a 1, 2, kind of a double or a triple top forming here. So if this starts to hold, at some point this may be an ascending triangle. Maybe it'll tend to break out, but we'll have to see. You'll see 29.75 and then 3,000 will be resistance levels. So let's get into it here today and see what we got. Let me just delete these. All right, so let's look at some of the ones from the watch list. ATNM. This one kind of has a cup and handle or an inverse head and shoulders. Man, that's a really nice looking one right there. And kind of a gap right between $1. Let's see where it is back over here. There's a gap between 90 cents to like 94 cents. So this thing might get a little bit of a pop. We like to put some penny stock ones on there for you guys, just in case, or, you know, some of you guys like to have some cheaper ones on the watch list. So this has a kind of a big inverse head and shoulders, right shoulder, head, left shoulder, cup and handle, cup, handle, another cup, handle. So watch if that thing gets a pop up to $1 at some point. All right. Next up, let's look at DNR. This one's a bit overextended, right at that 666 marker. Pre-market 680. Now it's starting to sell off a little bit. So
Eric Lopez in the building.
Market high around 680.
The options play. I don't know yet.
Let's see. Mdrr.
Options are risky. I'm practicing right now.
Mdrr is in a gap. Let's see here. It rejected right at $13 yesterday. That puts you right
Still
over
trying to
here.
figure
You can
out
see the gap,
options.
and you can see kind of the base of this gap right around that 1184-ish range.
So I'm practicing. I'm using my Robinhood
Let me look at the
account solely for options trading. I've liquidated
this one might have
about 50%.
might be setting up to go further. I'd keep an eye on that. If you get over
Because Robinhood has
$13,
been
keep an
going
eye on
through
this
a lot of
2-hour
hacking.
SMA. Major gaps. This
Number one, I don't want to
very
get caught up in that.
And it kind of has a
But I'll still keep it for
falling
options
wedge-ish pattern
trading.
going on right in here.
And then I'll have the
So watch
Webull
if this
for
break out and then get above
swing trade and
$13.
day
So
trade.
is one to keep an eye on a little bit. The one that's over $10. So that's for those of you guys that like a little bit bigger stocks.
Cleghorn in the building. How you doing? Thank you for joining the live.
COLL.
Please like.
Kind of another one, a little bit overextended, but might be setting up for a reversal. See if we can get above that $18 marker. We tried to, again, put a mix of penny stocks, regular small cap stocks, and some higher ones for you guys, as well as do trade ideas as well for you guys every day. So we kind of have a combination of each. So we'll see if this can get above that 1755-ish.
Yes,
area.
Eric. You'll catch some of them, but eventually most people give the gains back. Because, you know, it's
I like
addicting.
a little bit better.
It's almost like gambling options. That thing moves so fast.
Ears. That's another penny stock. Kind of has a cup and handle pattern going on there.
Listen, I almost got wiped out playing options.
Right. And that 53.
So right now I'm just doing two stocks at a time. That's it.
Gap. But again, on a 50-cent stock.
And not a lot of money. Small money.
Cents. Not bad.
$50, $100, that's it.
Ones. Keep an eye on this one.
Nothing more than that for options.
Yeah, it might be setting up.
Matter of fact, I think FLGT, I thought I got through about a call today. I think I got filled. Let me check my Robinhood account. Let me see. Yes. FLGT. I bought a contract 3070 for October 16th at $125 per contract. So I have one contract. Let me see if I'm in the money right now. So far, I doubt it. This one is a gamble. First of all, there's not enough time on that one. FLGT, I'm down 67%. No bounce. No, not me. This wait. Let me see what's going on. I'm up. I'm up 33 bucks. FLGT. I'm gonna be selling that tomorrow. FLGT. I don't like options. I don't know this camera. I don't know if you could see this, but I gotta practice because some of the plays that I've been banging on, had I have options, I would have been golden. There's just so much money you could gain with options. At least you know your max loss. With options, you only lose the amount you invest in. But short, if you're short, you could lose more than your investment money you could owe. So that's why I never short. Oh, good thing I sell some of my NET. NET down 7% after hours. See, my instinct told me to take some profit. NET. All right, let me read some of these comments. I'm having trouble multitasking. If I ever heard of Aristos? No, I'm not too technical. I just deal with price action, and I try to keep it simple because I'm more of a swing trader. Buy in the morning, sell in the evening. I'm not a day trader, where you buy now and sell in the next 5 seconds. So I don't delve too much in the technicals. I try to keep it simple. Oh, you gained $400 this morning? Trading options? Eric, OTRK. I recommended OTRK at $30. You kidding me? I made a lot of money on OTRK. Even options. I bought some contract, OTRK. Banked on that. Oh, you're playing the option with the Facebook. Yeah, I started back a position on OTRK because I think yesterday they were dropping or the day before. So I picked up some shares. OTRK is going to $100. ALBO. All right, let me write that one down. ALBO. Yeah, these drug companies, you catch them the right way, they could spike to heaven. Oh, liver disorder. All right. I made a note of it. I wrote it down. I'm going to research it. ALBO. All right, let me check the after hours again if anything going crazy. Staf coming down. Staf coming down. STAF. We have CBL up 20%. Job is up 14%. Not much happening in the after hours right now. Who else made money? Eric made some money. Facebook options. like to talk about Facebook because when they IPO'd, I got in at about $40, but I got in with a partner. That's the problem. It was a long-term hold. Facebook dropped that day big time. It went as low as in the teens for the first week or two, I think. Facebook, very unsuccessful IPO. But if you were patient, patient pays. I had to liquidate my account, so I had to sell my Facebook. I had Facebook at 40, I added at $20. This is when they just IPO'd Facebook. Facebook is at $271. That's why I don't like to talk about it. I left a lot of money on the table. If you could do business by yourself, I recommend do business by yourself. Trust me. All right, what else we got going on? I won't be staying today. I gotta get some rest for tomorrow's play. So I gotta get up at 3:30 a.m. to do my research and to do my 4 a.m. trading. So half an hour on the live. I'll be closing the live in 2 minutes. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for liking. Thank you for sharing. Shout out to Wadwa for tuning in. Big ups to Lyrics Media. Check his channel out, Lyrics Media. Tomorrow's play, I don't know yet. Tomorrow's play, I don't know yet. We're still watching Kxin and Mdrr, Idxg, Staf. I gotta see what's going on tomorrow morning. Set your notifications so you don't miss the video. These videos are time sensitive. Also, my tweets are time sensitive. Follow me at the Petite. Shout out to Eric Lopez for checking in the live. Shout out to Cleggy. I'll see you guys in the AM. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the rest of your night. Dave Natch, I'm out. Boom, bam. Wait, I think I got an outro. Let me play my outro.
Grass green, ice cream, Dave Natch, clean. You and your team, they get rich. Everybody chill. See what I mean to the world. Got a lot of money invested in a Davesplay. Every day, you want your money at? Subscribe to Davesplay. Food flow gas. Got a lot of money invested in a Davesplay. Every day, you want your money at? Subscribe to Davesplay. Food flow gas. Ton money, ton car meal, ton steering, ton wheel. Legal money and no drugs deal. Kxin, big deal. Sony, green sleeve, contract sign, done deal. Money a pour like gasoline. For ocean, river stream. Attach a case to the ground. Western, money have been up on the ground. Money too, enough to hold in our hand. Some yard, we got the money where we have. After we no money fool, buy a condo with swimming pool. Around with everything cash rule. We learned this before high school. Got a lot of money invested in a Davesplay. Every day, you want your money at? Subscribe to Davesplay. Food flow gas. Got a lot of money invested in a Davesplay. Every day, you want your money at? Subscribe to Davesplay. Food flow gas. Rich. Yeah, this is Danny B, the Jingle King. Have a little argument for going. Have a little argument for going. But you know, I find myself for that money. And instead of squander it and go on with foolishness. In our Davesplay seat, instead of hide it, see my wallet here, me I go just invest my money right away in a Davesplay. Every day and any day, invest your money in a Davesplay. And you know, if you want your money, as we them say, and get wagga and enough and plus. You want your money, subscribe to Davesplay. Please, me I tell you, go make the money now, please. Yeah, man, wanna do it fast and quick here. Subscribe to Davesplay. Fast, don't stop. Every day, you want the money, go check Davesplay. Invest. Interest. Bless.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Enjoy the rest of your evening. I'm out.